Good morning, children. Good morning. Page number 142. Let's do addition fast. Page number 142. Last class, what we did, children? Everyday maths, we finished it now. I gave only one statement, some also homework I gave. This class, we will do page number 142. Exercise number 7 and exercise 8, exercise 9. See children, exercise number is 2-digit number. Exercise number 8 is also 2-digit number. Exercise 9, 3-digit number. Same only, we will do let's addition fast. How to do? Only there is no place to write in the textbook. You want to write in the classwork. Already I gave in classwork, children. You don't want to write. Only answer you want to write side. See, 53 plus 25. First one, exercise number 7. Like this, no children? Add the following. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. 53 plus 25. 67 plus 32. 73 plus 24. 73 plus 24. 15 plus 23. 63 plus 25. Like this only, no children, in textbook. There is no place to do the addition fast. Long method, you can't do that in the textbook. So, only answers you want to write. 53 plus 25, how much is there? Now, first we will explain that example sum you want to write in the rough note. Rough note, you take rough note. Example, first we exercise number 7 before we will do example sum. That one you want to write in the rough note. Now first sum, see this first sum how we will do. 53 plus 25. 53 plus 25. See here you want to write ones, tens. Ones, tens. This one you want to write in the rough note. 53 plus 25. Now see here, 5. 5 is in which place, children? Tens place. 5 tens plus 3 ones. 5 tens plus 3 ones plus in this number 2 is in tens place. 2 tens plus 5 ones. Understood, children? Like that you want to do. This is the first step. You want to see, right? 53 means 5 tens, 3 ones, plus 2 tens, plus 5 ones. Next, 5 tens, plus 2 tens, plus 3 ones, plus 2 tens, 2 ones. Now you want to add these two. 5 plus 2. Tens you want to add. 5 plus 2, how much? 7. 7 tens. Now you want to add ones. Here 3 ones, here 5 ones. 3 plus 5, 8 ones. Now, you want to add this 7 plus 7, 8 ones. So, answer is 78. 3 plus 2. 25, no children, 25. Okay. 2 plus 5, 6, 7. Okay. 5 tens plus 2 tens, 7 tens. 3 plus 5, 8 ones. 7 plus 8. How much 7 plus 8? 78, no children. So answer is 53 plus 25, 78. Long method. If you do addition fast like that, you want to do. So you can't write in the textbook this method. Only answer you want to write. This you want to write in the rough note. See, 53 plus 25, how much? 78. Like that only 67 plus 32. Same thing. You want to do same thing and find the answer and write neatly. 67 plus 7, 32, 99. 73 plus 24, 97. 15 plus 23, 38. 63 plus 25, 88. See, for exercise number 7, first sum we did here, children. This method only you want to follow for this main. 53 plus 25, you want to see 5 tens, 2 tens, 3 ones, 5 ones. First you want to add tens. 5 plus 2 tens, 7 tens. 3 plus 5 ones, 8 ones. So answer is 78. Now exercise number 8. Exercise number 8 also same method only. Exercise number 8. First one, 64 plus 28. Second one, 75 plus 25. Third one, 55 plus 37. Fourth one, 42 plus 39. Fifth one, 38 plus 46. See, for this main also, for exercise number 7 also you can't write in the textbook. Exercise number 8 also you can't write in the textbook. Only answer you can write. So, for this I will do one example. Find neatly. Example 1. 64 plus 28. Example sum you want to do in the rough note. See here, 4 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 8 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place. Now you want to write tens. 6 tens plus 4 ones plus 2 tens plus 8 ones. Understood, children? First point is 6 tens, 4 ones, 2 tens, 8 ones. Now you want to add. First you want to add 6 tens and 2 tens. 6 plus 2 how much? 8 tens. Tens you want to add, children. This tens you want to add. If you had 6 plus 2, 8 tens. Now you want to add 4 ones. 4 plus 8, 12. Understood, children? 4 plus 1, 12. Now here, see, here 2-digit number, no? So 8 tens plus in 12, 2-digit is there. So this is ones, this is tens. Now here 1 tens plus 2 ones. Now 8 plus 1, 9 tens plus 2 ones. Answer is 92. Understood? 92. First one is 92. 64 plus 28. First step, second step, third step, fourth step. Listen properly, children here. 64. Here 28. 6 tens, 4 ones. 2 tens, 8 ones. Now you want to add only tens. Here 6 tens, here 2 tens is there. 6 plus 2 how much? 8 tens. Here now ones place you want to add. 4 plus 8, 12 ones. 12 is 2-digit number. So we written ones, tens. 8 tens. In 12 ones or in tens you want to take 1 10 we take here plus 2 ones. 8 plus 1, 9. Plus 2, 92. Understood, children? Like that only you want to do. 75 plus 25, 100. 55 plus 35, 90. Seven plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can do like this method also, children. See here. 75 plus 25. 5 plus 5, 10. 1, 10. 100. For this, 100. Second step. 55 plus 37. 7 plus 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 here. 1. 1 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 92. For this, 92. 42 plus 39, 11, 5, 6, 7, 81. 38 plus 46, 14, 8, 84. Like that, you can do it. Any method you can use, children, but write neatly, answer properly. Now, exercise number 9. Shall I rub exercise number 7, children? This only addition. Let's do addition first. Already they give example now. Let's do addition first. Like that, you want to do the addition first. Now, exercise number 9. Three, 5, 3. First one, 4, 7, 8. Before that, we will do example 1. Example 1, first we will do 2, 6, 3 plus 5, 7, 8. See, this also 3 digit, this also 3 digit. This example sum, first one, children, want to do in the rough note. See, ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. First, 2 hundreds. 2 hundreds plus this 5 hundreds plus 6 tens plus 7 tens plus 3 ones plus 8 ones. This is first point, children. Second point 1. Now you want to add these two hundreds, you want to add 5 plus 2, 7 hundreds. Now tens you want to add 6 plus 7, how much there? 6 plus 7 plus 13 tens plus 3 plus 8, 11 ones. 11 ones, no, children. Now you want to do separately here. Third point, third line. 7 hundreds. 7 hundreds plus 13 tens. See, whenever in one space is 2 digit is there, you want to write here ones, tens. You take this 110 plus 1 ones. Again 7 hundreds plus 13 plus 1, 14 tens plus 1 ones. Now, fourth point, 700 plus 100. See, in this place here 3 digit number is there, no? 100. This is tens. This is tens, no, children? Tens, hundreds. 100 plus 4 tens plus 1 ones. Now 7 plus 1, 800 plus 4 tens plus 1 ones. So answer is 841. For this answer, for this one, 841. First step, see, listen children. First step, we written numbers 263, 578. Second step, see that, take hundreds number, 200s, 500s. After that, 6 tens, 7 tens. After that, ones, 3 ones, 8 ones. Second step, see the second step children. Now you want to add hundreds. 2 plus 5, 700s. Tens, 6 plus 7, 13 tens. 3 plus 8, 11 ones. Yes, 700s, 13 tens plus, see here 11. In ones place 2 digit is there. So that you take ones tens, in 1 10 you take here plus 1 ones. Again 700s, in tens place 2 digit is there. So you want to write, see 13 plus 1, 14 tens plus 1 ones. 700 plus 14 tens is 2 digit number. 4 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place. So 1 you write here, 100 plus 4 tens plus 1 ones. 804 tens plus 1 ones. Answer is 841. Like this, you want to do the 3 digit numbers also, children. Exercise 7, exercise number 7, 8, 9, same addition. Let's do addition fast, means you can do this like this only. So, but in that, no place, no, I am writing only answers for 482 plus 279. See, we can add like this also. 3 plus 8, 11. 7 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 4 plus 3, 7, 8. 831. Answer is 831. Like that also you can do. Like that also you can do, children. Second one, answer sum is 761. Third one, 689. Plus 239, 921. Nine plus 9, 18. 232. This is 2. Fourth one, 571. Fifth one, 352 plus 469. So 821. Shall I repeat once again, children, this sum? See this one number. First one is number 263 plus 578. See the hundreds place here. Which one hundreds place? 2 is also 100 place, 5 is also 100 place. First you write 200 plus 500. After you go to tens place, 6 tens, 7 tens. 6 tens plus 7 tens. Now ones place, 3 ones and 8 ones. What we will do first? We will add these two. 6, 2 plus 5, how much? 100, 700. After we will add these two. 6 plus 7 tens, 13 tens. After that, we will add these two. We will get 11 ones. 700 here, 13 tens plus 11. When ones place, 2 digit is there. So 1 is in ones, 1 ones. Another one is in tens place. So 1 tens plus 1 ones. 700 plus 13 plus 1, how much? 14. Here both tens place is only, no. So you want to add 13 tens plus 1 tens. If you add, you will get 14 tens. After that, plus ones. 700 plus in tens place 2 digit number. So 4 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place. Here ones place 2 digit number means ones tens we will write. In tens place 2 digit number is there, 4. Hundreds, tens, hundreds you will write. Plus 1 ones. Here 700 plus 100. In this you will get 100, 4 tens, 1 ones. 700 plus 1, 800. 4 tens plus 1 ones, 4, 1, 841. Finish it neatly, children. That example you want to do in the rough note. Thank you. We'll go to next main. We'll go to multiple choice questions. Only answers I will write. See proper, listen properly. Page number 143. Page number 143, multiple choice questions. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. 528 children went to the zoo in the morning. Morning, how many children went to the zoo? 528 children. 45 in 528, 45 boys and 62 girls joined them in the afternoon. How many children were at the zoo altogether? Now listen once again, I will repeat. 528 children went to the zoo in the morning. 45 boys and 62 girls joined them in afternoon. How many children were at the zoo altogether? Option is 802, 650, 723, 635. If we had these three numbers, so which number will get? See, 528, 45, 62. See, 8 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 5, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. See, 635. In option D is the correct answer. First one, D, 635. For 635, you want to tick. If you add these three, you will get 635. Now go to page number 144. Page number 144. Second one, 807 added to 63 can be written as. How we will write 807? See children, 807. If we add it to 63, how we will write? Added to 63 can be written as. See how much you will get? 807. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7. See. 807 added to 63, you will get 870. So answer is for second one, A is A 870 is the correct answer. Third one, sum of least 3-digit number. You know, no children, least 3-digit number is 100. Least 2-digit number is 10. So how we will write if 2-digit is? See, they are asking sum of least 3-digit number and least 2-digit number. How we will write? 100 you separate, you will write. After that you will write say 10. That is correct, children? No, it's not correct. You can write same. See, 110. 110 is the least 3-digit number is 100. 10 is 2-digit, least 2-digit number. So you can write 110. C1. This is C1. Fourth one. 481 plus 231. How much if we had 481? 231, 2, 11, 5, 6, 7, 712. B is the correct answer. B, 712. To tick it for B. Fifth one, which number is 6 more than 206? See, for 206, you want to more than 6, you want to plus 6. You want to add 6. More than 6 means you want to add 6. For 206, if you add 6, you will get 212. What is the answer is 212. D, 212 is the correct answer. Now there are 27 soup bowls. Fifth one over now. Sixth one. There are 27 soup bowls on the shelf of a shop. Hadi put an equal number of bowls on the shelf. How many soup bowls are there now? If you count how many soup bowls, count children, how many bowls are there? 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. How many soup bowls are there? Soup cans. 54. Count properly. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Soup bowls on the shelf of a shop. Hadi put an equal number of bowls on the shelf. How many soup bowls are there now? In 3, if we count 27, 27, 27, if we count, we'll get 80. So you can do it 20, 54 is the correct answer. You take it 54 children, 6. Seventh one. In a school library, there are 620 fiction books and 317 non-fiction books. The total number of books in the library are 620 plus 700, 379. If you had 999 is the correct answer for seventh one. A, option A is the correct one. Kavita has 55 clips, Mona has 36 clips, more than Kavita. How many clips does Mona have? More than 55 plus 36, how much children? 91 clips. Eighth one is A. Eighth one. We finish now children. Next, we'll go to homework. Close your textbook. Max homework note. Open your max homework note. Go to fresh page. Write the tables. Six, 7, 8, 1 time. Write the table. 6 ones are 6, 7 ones are 7, 8 ones are 8. 1 time you want to write in the homework note, children. Go to fresh page. Don't leave the line. Continuously you want to write. Understood? Thank you, children.